How to fix the problem if Facebook Messenger chat bubble is not being displayed. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what you can do to fix if Facebook Messenger chat bubble is not being shown. It's a simple process, so let's start. First of all, open Messenger. Then go to the chat room of that person whose messages are not being displayed on the chat bubble. After you open the chat room with that specific person, tap on this eye icon on the top right side of your screen. Then after, tap on those three dots on the right side of your screen. Now tap on open chat head. As you do that, the Facebook Messenger bubble of that specific person will appear on your screen. You can remove it by simply dragging it to the cancel or remove section. So in this way, you can fix the problem if Facebook Messenger chat bubble is not being displayed. Remember that the chat bubble might not appear if you have kept that person on silent mode or if you have disabled the message notifications. So in this way, you can easily fix the problem and make the Facebook Messenger bubble appear. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.